Are you here to see the piano man, or are you a Swiftie? Whichever event you're going to, this is how you're going to get the best advice to come into Cardiff and get yourself open again safely using our rail services. We're expecting to welcome thousands of fans into Cardiff over the coming weeks. Please remember to buy a ticket before you board your train. You can do so using the TFW app, our website, or at your nearest station.
Have your tickets ready and use any three of the lanes, please.
As you can see, ticket checks are in operation, so please have your tickets ready and any rail cards you need. After you've had a great night at the gig and you're ready to head home, please make your way back to Cardiff Central. Once you get to Cardiff Central, there's a queuing system in place that'll all be clearly signposted, and our staff will be on hand to make sure you get in the correct queue to get yourselves home. The reason we have the queues outside Cardiff Central is so we can keep our platforms clear for safety reasons. But don't worry, we're going to keep the queues moving, and they'll be moving swiftly. One final request: our staff work extremely hard to get you in and out of the city safely, so please treat them with respect. Have a great time. Diolch.